In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage book highlights and reading notes in Notion. Open Notion and go to your main dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Reading Hub. If your workspace uses a different page name for this setup, open the page where your books gallery already lives. Once that page is open, scroll until you can clearly see the books gallery, because we're going to build a connected highlight system right underneath it. Click in the empty space below the books gallery. Type /table, and from the menu choose Table View, then Inline. Notion will insert a new table directly on the page. When it asks for a database name, click New Database and type Highlights. Give it a moment so the table settles into place. Now we'll set up the columns. In the first column header, click where it says Name. Rename that property to Highlight. This will be the main text field where each highlight lives. Next, add a relation back to your book's database so every highlight can be connected to the book it came from. Click the plus icon at the end of the column row. Choose Relation. In the search box, type Book slowly enough to find the correct database, then select it. You'll see an option called Show on Books. Turn that off so you don't clutter the main books database with extra reverse properties right now. Then click Add Relation. You should now have a new books column inside the highlights table. Add the review workflow column next. Click the plus icon again. Choose Select. For the property name, type Review Status. Now start adding the status options one at a time. Type Inbox, then confirm it. Add another option and type Reviewed. Add one more and type Applied. These three labels create a simple pipeline so your highlights can move from capture to reflection to action. Now add a category field for themes. Click the plus icon again and choose Multi-Select. Name this property Tags. Then add a couple of sample tag options so the system is ready to use. Type Mindset and save it. Add another and type Productivity. You can always create more later while you work, but these two are enough to demonstrate the setup. Let's enter a sample highlights of a database feels real, and you can test the flow immediately. Click into the first empty row under the highlight column. Type a short highlight from a book you know you'll recognize on screen. After the text is in place, move to the Books column in that same row and select the related book from your books database. Then click the Review Status cell and choose Inbox. In the Tags column, add one or two relevant tags like Mindset or Productivity, depending on the example you enter. With the structure ready, create filtered views so you can process highlights without sorting manually every time. At the top of the database, click the plus tab to add a new view. Name this view Inbox. After it opens, click the filter icon. Set the filter so Review Status is Inbox. Once that's applied, this view will only show highlights waiting for review. Create the next view the same way. Click the plus tab again. Name it Reviewed. Open the filter settings and set Review Status as Reviewed. Then add one more view. Call this one Applied. Open its filter and set Review Status as Applied. Now you have a clean three-stage review pipeline, and switching between tabs instantly shows where each note belongs. Next, let's improve your books gallery with a reusable notes template so every new book page has a consistent structure. Scroll back to the books gallery. Look for the small arrow next to the blue New button. Click that arrow, then choose New Template. A blank template page will open. At the top, name the template Book Notes Template. Inside the page, start adding toggle sections one by one so each book has dedicated areas for reflection. Type /toggle and create the first one called Summary. Press Enter and create another toggle called Key Lessons. Add the next one and name it Favorite Quotes. Then create one more toggle called Personal Reflections. These sections give you a repeatable framework for capturing what matters without overcomplicating the page. Once the template looks good, click the back arrow to save and return to the gallery. Now click the arrow next to the New button again, and this time choose your new Book Notes template to create a fresh book entry using that layout. When the new page opens, name the book Man's Search for Meaning. After the title is in place, fill in the rest of the book properties that appear in your gallery setup. In the Author field, type the author name you want to use for your library. In the Status field, choose the appropriate reading status such as To Read, Reading, or Finished, depending on your system. In the Genre field, enter or select the genre that fits this book. Because you use the template, the page already includes summary, key lessons, favorite quotes, and personal reflections, ready for your notes. Now return to the Highlights database and click the Inbox view. Find the sample highlight you added earlier. In its review status column, change the status from inbox to reviewed. As soon as you do that, it should disappear from the inbox view. Click the reviewed tab, and you'll see that same highlight there instead. That confirms your review pipeline is working exactly as intended. At this point, your main setup is complete. You have a highlights database linked to books, tags for themes, filtered views for processing, and a reusable book notes template for consistent reading capture. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, the workflow is simple. Add highlights as you read, connect each one to the correct book, drop new items into inbox, and then move them to reviewed when you've reflected on them. If a note changes how you think, work, or act, move it to applied so your best ideas don't stay trapped as passive reading notes. Everything should now be visible in your Notion workspace under your account inside your Reading Hub. Go ahead and try adding a few real highlights on your end so the system starts working with your own books and ideas. Congratulations! Your book highlights and reading notes system in Notion is now fully set up.